Hey everybody, this is Joe. Thank you for watching my Giga Texas construction update video. A lot of great activity and progress across the site today. We'll cover a few highlights from around the site in the introduction, and then we'll do a 3-month look back just to gauge the progress. There's a lot of great discoveries in the video, so make sure you check that out as well. In the South Pond area, photo 1 shows the testing of that pond. They're using water pumped up from Colorado River to test the systems. Photo number 2 shows some gravel being applied to the newly leveled area near the water splitters. And number 3 shows that south outfall manifold. Next, we check out the stamping machine structure southeast corner, photo 1. Photo 2 shows new testing blanks coming off the stamping machines, and these are different parts than what we've seen previously, as you can see in photo 3, so more stamping tests going on. And photo 4 shows Cisco food service, and this is to support the employees of Giga Texas. Here we see photo number 1, south end of the General Assembly structure, getting more of the wall panels. Photo 2 shows the west side. This looks like a new entranceway underneath those large windows. And photo 3 shows more windows being installed on the southwest corner. Up at the north end of the paint shop, photo 1 and photo 2 shows new concrete driveways and loading docks being prepared, and photo 3 shows the top of the roof over the regenerative thermal oxidizer continuing getting work. Here, photo 1 shows the loading dock on the northeast corner of the casting machine structure. Number 2 shows the roof work. It looks like it's completed for now, but there's more materials. Number 3 shows more castings being moved by truck. And number 4 shows that last remaining electrical conduit area preparing for concrete. At the east sedimentation basin, photo 1 just shows the overall look as it's pretty much completed and getting new grass seed. Photos 2 and 3 show these tents that have been erected. Giga Berlin has something similar, and they use it for some of their pre-production, so maybe that's happening here as well. Up north, we take a look at photos number 1 and 2, where that new parking area is also getting more of the stormwater pipe installed. Photo 3 and 4 shows that temporary storage at the old bag plant, and 4 shows a close-up of some of the crates that have been delivered. So that's a quick rundown of the key highlights around the site today. As I mentioned, there's a lot of great discoveries in the video as well, so make sure you take a look at that. So right now, let's take a look 3 months back and see how the site looked then and compare the progress to what we see today. Today we look back 3 months ago to the 15th of September to compare the progress of Giga Texas at that time and how it looks today. I recommend you take a look at my 15 September video to get a better appreciation for the work going on at that time. So for today's look back, we start off in the south end over the South Bridge area, and we see where some of the water drainage pipes on the west side are being installed to drain into the Colorado River. Very little of the south end pond reconfiguration has been going on at this time, nothing like we've seen now. Into that central area, that pit has many more of the double columns installed, and the south end of the General Assembly structure has no wall panels, although the west side is approaching that angled corner, and that window treatment area still looks sort of like that Cybertruck. It hasn't been extended to the north yet. The alleyway between the paint shop and the battery cell is getting its roof nearly to the north end, and we see a lot of the work for the battery cell is really inside now, not much progress on the walls at that time. We can see that the bridge between the paint shop and casting has been extended, and the entire roof has got concrete on it but no wall panels. On the east side, the window line continues to be short, hasn't been extended, and we see that concrete area for the driveway and parking along the east side being constructed. Here it shows the stamping machine structure. Again, the window line has not been extended at this time. This is the clearing area on the east where the outfall channel for the sedimentation basin will be, and that basin has not been constructed at that time. And then on the north side, we see some of the beginnings of the horizontal drilling to install the gas pipe that runs north to south under the power lines. So I hope that this 3 month ago look back at Giga Texas is helpful and put into perspective what we see today and how the factory is approaching the ability to start production. I hope that this 3 month look back was helpful. Before we begin, I would like to say thank you to my patrons for your generous support. Patreon members get access to high-resolution photos, previews, and direct dialogue with me. If you would like to support my channel, please consider becoming a patron using this link, which is also in the video description. Please also consider subscribing and hitting the like button. Thanks. My drones are ready and raring to go. Let's go flying over Giga Texas.